Our lectures provide written and audible ways for your students to learn each chapter's information, giving your students the option to speed up or slow down the lectures to their own pace, with the convenience of being able to go back as many times as they may need. All lectures are able to be printed as individual slides or the lecture in its entirety. The Explore feature gives your students the ability to freely move to certain sections of the lectures and find what they are looking for easily. Closed captioning is also provided for all of our lectures. Our Chapter Explore feature allows your students to freely look through that chapter system and the individual parts that make it up.